Hi, my name is Daniel, and in this video I'll show you how to create a Creative Card Carousel and add it to a Bazium website. Let's get started. The Creative Card Carousel is a great addition to any website. To start, enter Common Ninja website. Choose your widget from our large collection of widgets. And once you've entered the widget page, click on the Create button to enter the editor. Here, in the editor, you can edit the content. Select a layout and a skin. Customize the look and feel. And change the settings. When you're done, click the Save Changes button to save your work. If you don't have an account on Common Ninja yet, you'll have to register first. When you're ready to add the widget to your website, go back to the dashboard. Now, on the dashboard, you'll see the widget you've created. Click on the Add to Website button. In the window that opens, copy the code. And close the window. Remember, you can always return to the widget and keep on editing it. Now, let's head to the Bazium editor. In the Bazium editor, click on Add Block button, wherever you wish your widget will show. Then, in the left menu, select Miscellaneous. And select the HTML block. Click on the new HTML block you've added to your page. Now, in the HTML code window, simply paste the code you've copied before. And click Save. And that's it. Now, the Creative Card Carousel will show on your website.